I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make an orange tiger nuts sugar body scrub. Now, this is an all-natural recipe that we're using. It's so natural you could eat it, okay? There's no chemicals in it like the ones that you have to go purchase at the store, and it's easy to make. Now, if you've never heard of tiger nuts before, they're not nuts at all. So anyone with a nut allergy, this is not a problem. These guys are actually little tubers that grow under the ground like potatoes and carrots and beets. They look like little tiny wrinkly chickpeas, if you've never seen them before. These are vegetarian, vegan, organic, and non-GMO. Now, this is what I'm using from TigerNutsUSA.com. This is their raw premium organic Tiger Nuts first press extra virgin oil. So that's a long mouthful, but you go check out the review I've done on this. This is awesome stuff, not just for cooking and baking, but for beauty products in general. I've used it for my stretch marks, well, to prevent stretch marks. I don't have any stretch marks, and the elasticity from being pregnant. Now, she's 6.5 months old now. I have no blemishes. I've got no tiger stripes or anything like that. I'll be wearing a bikini this summer, that's for sure. So make sure you check out that show if you are pregnant or about to be pregnant, or you are working to get rid of a bulge from being pregnant and you want to get that elasticity back in your skin. Now, I use this tiger nuts oil for oil pulling for my teeth, for facial scrubs, for salt and sugar scrubs, for deodorant, etc. Okay, there's a lot of different beauty products that you can make with this. It's really, really great carrier oil. Plus, it is very nourishing for your skin as well. So tonight, I am going to be making a couple sugar scrubs for gifts for Christmas, and I'm using these little jars. These are just like little jam jars, pretty ones. So they each hold about a cup of ingredients. So I'm going to use about 3 cups of sugar. This is a fine sugar. You want to use fine things, fine sugar or a fine salt if you're making a scrub, so you don't rip your skin. Okay, you want to use something really, really fine. If you are using it just as a bath bomb, then you can use nice big giant chunky crystals, and that works beautifully and it looks lovely too. But if you're going to use this as a scrub, you want to use something nice and fine. I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of tiger nuts oil. It's a lovely golden color. It's going to look the part, being an orange flavor or orange fragrance. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You do not have to do this. You could use extra tiger nuts oil, or you could just omit this all together. I'm using it just because it's a little bit more solid at room temperature. And that's kind of just what I'm going for today. Coconut oil is also very nourishing to the skin. Now, I'm going to use orange oil today. This is a culinary orange oil as well. It's not just an essential oil, it's culinary, you can eat it. I'm going to use 20 to 25 drops or so in here. Now, orange oil is fabulous. It has a lot of health benefits. It's great for depression, it's great for fatigue, it perks you up, it helps you with your circulation and your cognition. It also works as an insecticide, so if there's bugs around you, if you want to put that on your skin, say you're going to be out in the woods or something like that and you want to repel mosquitoes, etc., that's a good thing as well. It's just a very healthy oil. I'll put a bunch of the benefits on the side for you. And we're just going to stir that through. You want to get that oil all mixed through the sugar, distribute that essential oil as well. I also have about a teaspoon of dried orange zest. I like to keep my zests after I juice, or before I juice any kind of citrus. I like to zest them first. Keep that zest for such a time as this. And I'm just going to mix that in, those little tiny flecks of orange zest, all through the sugar scrub. It smells amazing. All right, I'm just going to use a funnel to get my scrub into these jars. Now, this is great for any kind, sloughing off any kind of dead skin. It's perfect for the winter time, especially with all of our dry heels and knees and elbows and things. It's great for your face. You might think that sugar is bad for you. It's not great for you internally, but it's fantastic for you externally. This is really going to help improve your circulation. It's going to bring out your new fresh skin underneath the dry old stuff. The fragrance that will come from this is going to be amazing in a hot, steamy shower. You're going to get your skin a little bit wet. Grab some of this great scrub. You can use your hands, or you can use a cloth, or you can use a sponge. Scrub everything in circular motions. And then right behind all of the scrubbing and exposing that new fresh skin, you're gonna have this fantastic nourishing oil right behind it to help keep everything nice and healthy and fresh. Orange oil also helps with inflammation. The tiger nuts oil also is anti-inflammatory. It's antibacterial as well. What a gorgeous, gorgeous gift. And it tastes good. I'm wiping the rims off just before I put the lids on. The little flecks of orange zest are really beautiful in there. Look at that. Oh, the fragrance is amazing. Not only that, it's going to give you a nice vibrant glow over the holidays, not only, and into the new year, if that's what you're looking for. Leave that old skin in the old year. Come out with new fresh skin. So that's a gorgeous scrub, beautiful gift, whether it's for someone else or yourself. You controlled everything that went in there. You know that there's no chemicals. It's healthy for you, and it's going to make you feel so fabulous. Make sure you check out TigerNutsUSA.com for this oil that's amazing, as well as all of their great Tiger Nuts products, which are great for eating as well as for your beauty regimen. All right, so that's how you make an orange Tiger Nuts sugar body scrub. You can do it too. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at Facebook.com/CookingWithKimberly. Check out my Instagram.com/WebChef of all trades. You can check out my shows online on YouTube.com/CookingWithKimberly and come to my website at CookingWithKimberly.com. Subscribe and interact with us. Let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye!